What do you think about when you hear world-class full-scale developments? Dubai came up with the Palm Jumeirah, Austria came up with the Danube Islands, and here in Lagos we created the Eco-Atlantic Banana Island, and now we present to you the Orange Island. Now, I'm sure some of you are wondering what Orange Island is. Orange Island is 150 hectares of fully serviced land that is reserved for only the most illustrious projects in the city of Lagos. What others saw as bare land, a visionary group of developers saw an opportunity to deliver a high-end luxury living experience for the people of Lagos. With an elite team of architects, designers and developers, they created the Dynasty. The Dynasty stands to be the first major housing estate on Orange Island, and is easily one of the best investments you can make right now in the city of Lagos. And that's because of how amazing the prices here on this island are appreciating on a daily basis. The Dynasty offers up dozens of units for anyone looking for a place to start a family or a place where they can invest, with the first block offering up 8 units of 2-bedroom flats, 8 units of 3-bedroom flats, and 24 units of maisonette houses, while the second block offers up 8 units of semi-detached houses and 4 penthouses right here on Orange Island. Experience true luxury with a private elevator, water treatment and sewage plant, a rooftop relaxation area, 24 hours power supply, solar-powered street lights, infinity edge swimming pool, a garden with barbecue and bar space, a dedicated transformer, and a central gym to keep fit and stay healthy in this amazing environment. Dynasty is in close proximity to the best restaurants, schools, bars, and offices that Lekki, Victoria Island, and Ikoyi have to offer. At Albert & One, we feel it's our job to present to you with the very best investment opportunities that you can find here in Lagos. And that's why we presented the Dynasty to you today. If you want to own a 2-bedroom apartment here in the Dynasty, it's 75 million naira. A 3-bedroom apartment is going for 100 million naira. A 4-bedroom maisonette is going for 180 million naira. A 400 semi-detached house is going for 200 million naira. And if you want to get the very best in the Dynasty, you can get the 4-bedroom penthouse for 270 million naira. Remember that the prices are liable to change, and that's because the prices of properties on Orange Island increase on a regular basis. But don't forget, you can actually own any of these homes by paying an initial payment of 30% and spreading the rest of your payments for the next 18 months. My name is Felicia of Albert & Wand. If you'd like to own any of these properties here in the Dynasty, give us a call with the number appears on the screen. Check out our social media for more properties like this, and also visit our website to stay up to date on all the best properties in the city of Lagos. Have a great day and take care.